very nice to see you guys. Please, if you're watching this, hit the like button and comment below. I would super appreciate it. It is still too cold here to be riding. It is, right now, it is currently 15 degrees out. Wanted to make this video today. I found out about this wonderful service. The company's called Dirt Legal, and they can help you get your dirt bike titled and registered and legal and plated and everything else to legally be able to ride it on the road. They specialize in titles and registrations for things like dirt bikes, which actually here, I'm gonna pull some stuff up on my computer screen. The company's called Dirt Legal. We're gonna click on a few things on their website here. This is Joe. This commercial explains it like absolutely perfect.
Joe loves riding his dirt bike, but it's illegal to ride it on the road. He tried doing it once and got a ticket.
They can help you do what you need to do to get your vehicle titled, registered, plated, and legal to ride on the road. We have this service provides you with a license plate and registration for your dirt bike. We will mail you the paperwork within 1 business day to be completed and returned. Then we're going to come down here, we're going to click on a few things like proof of ownership, title, transfer, registration, financing. Okay, so like you click on whatever applies to your particular situation. A little bit about what you can expect from Dirt Legal. You're going to get an out-of-state tag and registration. You're going to get a new proof of ownership. You're going to get dedicated agent support. They're going to guide you through the process. They're going to answer any questions that you may have about the paperwork or the state-to-state transfer or required bike parts. They're going to already know what it is that you're going to need to get your bike up, running, legally titled, registered, and plated, so that way you'll have no problem once you start riding on the road. They'll hook you up with a website. It says one-stop shop for any parts or accessories that you need to make sure that your ride is 100% road ready. So that is a thing. Dirt bikes, in order to be street legal, they do typically have to have a few changes. So once the parts arrive, put them on. You are going to need to give them vehicle information. I'm guessing your vehicle identification number, your VIN. Then says keep an eye on your mailbox. We will send you a checklist with the materials we need to handle the conversion on your behalf, including your proof of ownership, copy of ID. So they do need a few things from you. Proof of ownership, ID. I mean, that seems reasonable, does it not? Like, anyhow, you're going to fill all that out and you're going to send it back to them, and then they're going to mail everything back to you, including a plate, a few weeks later, and you will be ready to ride. So literally, they're gonna help you with the title. They're gonna help you with the registration. They're gonna literally walk you through the process. They're gonna tell you what you need and don't need. They can even help you obtain the parts. I will put a link to their website in the description below. I will also put their telephone number on there in case you guys want to call, feel more comfortable talking to somebody from Dirt Legal before placing your order. So anyhow, guys, definitely, if you've made it to this point of the video, please make sure that you comment, like, subscribe. I really do enjoy reading everybody's comments and interacting with you guys. So definitely, even if you don't have anything to say about the service or whatnot, just jump down there and just say hi.